Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I actually prepared hand-pulled dough soup recipe this time. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. This hand-pulled dough soup have any type of veggies of your choice, and I add water. This is the mixture of water and flour, and this will be the dough base. With the spoon, I actually start to put the mixture of the flour and water dough into the soup. And the pot is in the heating temperature. The soup is almost cooked with the dough base and the choice of vegetables. For the flavor of the soup, I chose fish sauce or shrimp paste. And this fish sauce and shrimp paste is really enhancing the flavor of your food. And adding some salt. And putting some sugar. And it will be heated for a couple of minutes. And the mixture of water and flour and your choice of vegetable is really well cooked. And if you need any type of side dish, this is the kimchi and this is spicy fermented cabbage. The whole time of cooking takes less than 10 minutes. For this time cooking, I actually put onion, garlic, and mushroom. But you can actually choose maybe potato or zucchini or any different type of vegetable you like. And this is the time to have handpulled dough soup recipe. And another day, I actually put seaweed paper inside of the same soup. Having this seaweed paper gives you the ocean flavor. And this Thai tea mix is very good along with your cooking food. And this is a tropical bar. I got this from online shopping and you can actually put it in the freezer and you can actually enjoy this ice bar. And moreover, I got this coconut rice pudding. Having the rice inside of coconut is really good dessert of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and happy eating and have a great day!